Good day and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time joining my channel, thank you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, turn on your post notification bell so that whenever I make a post you will be notified. And for the old time subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning in and supporting your girl. I really appreciate. So if you've been keeping up with makeup trends, you know that graphic liners are like the it thing now. So today I'll be showing you guys step-by-step tutorial of how I achieve a soft glam with a dash of graphic liners to go. So if you're interested and you want to learn how to do this, stay tuned. I already prepped her skin and started off with the foundation application before I started filming. But if you're interested to see how I do all of those things, I have a video of it which I'm going to link up here so you can watch it whenever you can. Before using the liner, I like to mattify the lid with matte brown eyeshadow. I'll be using a very tiny precision brush and this graphic liner from Cosmetics. First off, I wet my precision brush with a setting spray before going in to dip it into the graphic liner and get the quantity that I want. Not so much, a little goes a long way. You don't necessarily need to be an expert in drawing a precise line before you could use the graphic liner, and there is no particular pattern to it. You just go with the flow. So I'm going to draw a curved line first, just above her crease. I'm not drawing it directly on her crease, but slightly above her crease. Can go back again and again to intensify the line just so it pops out to your satisfaction. are done. If you'd like to add more spice to it, you can use rhinestones. I guess I'll have to make another video with rhinestones, but today we're leaving it at this. So let's continue with the rest of the makeup, guys. Guys, we are done. This is the final look. I really love this, and I'm glad my client loves it as well. It's so cheeky, it's so nude, and at the same time the eyes are popping. It's giving the whole euphoric beauty princess whatever. If you enjoyed this video as much as I did, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below, turn on your post notification bell as well, so that whenever I make a post you'll be notified. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. It's your girl ilorahella. Remain beautiful and fabulous. Mwah! Bye.